here's SchoolCafé app. Go beyond the school cafeteria. It's quite popular in US. As you can see, over 50,000 ratings, 4.9 average rating. Is the leading school nutrition management software for K-12 school districts. Parents can manage a child's cafeteria account, apply for free reduced meals, make payments, view purchase history, receive low balance alerts, and view school menus containing nutritional and allergen information for items. For convenience, set up automatic payments to replace your child's cafeteria funds. Know what is on the menu at the school cafeteria and provide feedback by rating and sharing items. Favorite your child's favorite items, and SchoolCafé will send you push notification to let you know when it's on the menu. Also, students and staff, you can use this app to check out what's available in the cafeteria menu each day, view nutritional and allergen information to help you make healthy decisions. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So then you can just open up this app, and then to create an account, super easy, just sign in with one of these services. Do you want to register an account? You can tap OK, and then you can just select your district, select school district, and then you just go next. Then you can just register as a parent, student, or employee. So parent, and then you just need to provide your information, like last name, phone number, and then you can just tap register. So that's how you get started. You can also change language in the top right, and that's the idea.